Have we not lifted up your heart and removed your burden that weighed so heavily on your back? And have we not given you high renown? So surely with every hardship there is ease. Surely with every hardship there is ease. So when you are free, strive hard, and to your Lord turn your attention. The Prophet Muhammad went tirelessly in the quest of knowledge about the reality and truth. God blessed him with this knowledge, which opened his heart to the deep realization of truth. Then he started preaching the oneness of God in Makkah, where he had to face stiff opposition, but it was thanks to this opposition that he became known throughout the country. This is God's law in the present world. Hence, a man has to face difficult conditions in the beginning, but if he perseveres with patience, this hardship becomes a stepping stone to new and easy circumstances. Therefore, a man should always look towards God and continue to struggle according to his capacity.